Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to use your PlayStation 4 controller on your PS5. So let's go ahead, jump into the video right now. Now there's two easy ways that you can use your PlayStation 4 controller on your PS5. One is by using this USB cable that you plug into the front of the console. Let's do that now. So it is plugged in now. Let's plug the other end into our controller. Boom, just like that, and then press the PlayStation button. And as soon as we do that, we'll get a prompt to log into one of our accounts, Timbo Slice number 1. Let's press X on this, and we are now using the DualShock 4 controller, and it is charging. So if I press the PlayStation button and bring up the quick menu, I can go to accessories, and I can see my DualShock 4 is connected. So from here, I can go ahead and disconnect it, and I will be able to use it wirelessly. Now, let's say we don't have a cord around. How can we connect our PlayStation 4 controller and use it on our PS5? Well, I'm going to turn off my controller by pressing and holding the PlayStation button down, and I'll show you how to do that right now. We will need our PlayStation 5 controller or an already connected controller. So let's turn this one on and then connect it to our PlayStation 5. Now, with your PS5 controller, go to Settings, then scroll down to Accessories. Select this option, then go to Bluetooth Accessories. Now turn on your PlayStation 4 controller. Simply press the PlayStation button, press and hold down the share button and the PlayStation button at the same time, and put it into pairing mode. Once you do this, the light bar will now begin to flash. Once it's flashing, go over to your PlayStation 5. And we will see accessories found, DualShock 4. Select this with X. And it's going to register this controller. Now I am going to have to log in once again. Log into your account. And boom. Our PlayStation 4 controller is once again connected wirelessly. So if this video did indeed help you use your PlayStation 4 controller on your PS5, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech help videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.